Hello students. So let's try to go for a very new topic, that is modern physics. So first I will discuss what are the topic behind this particular modern physics, and we will see these topics are before the quantum mechanics, and you can just understand that these topics are important because they are some experimental evidence which compel us to formulate quantum mechanics. So this is very important, and they are mostly experimental evidences done by the different people in different places, and also we will learn some hypothesis which leads to give us the theory of basically quantum mechanics. So let's try to understand what are these particular hypotheses, these what are these particular experiment, and in very short term we can say these are basically wave particle duality. So first we will go for basically particle nature of light. So first we will go for particle nature of light. Particle nature of light. In this we have photoelectric effect, and then we have Compton effect, and after then we will see that wave nature of particle, where we have first de Broglie hypothesis, de Broglie hypothesis, and then we will go for Bragg diffraction, and then we will go for some different hypothesis and principle before starting quantum mechanics, and they are very interesting. So some hypothesis. One hypothesis is obviously de Broglie hypothesis, and next we will just try to go for number one is Bohr quantization rule. Quantization rule, and then we will try to go for, after Bohr quantization, we will try to go for uncertainty principle, and after then we will just try to understand hydrogen atom. This is just a semi classical theory of hydrogen atom, and then we will lastly go for black body radiation. So these are the main topic before going into quantum mechanics. Actually, quantum mechanics is all about mathematical formulation, whatever we have observed into this particular lab. But all these basic concept and hypothesis just leads towards quantum mechanics, because it has different results. On the basis of this result, we will try to formulate a quantum mechanical approach to understand the system of approach the to understand the system, and try to define the law of nature in very different way. So this is one of the very important topic before going to quantum mechanics, and we have named it as modern physics. And you can see that this modern physics are very important proportion into in your jam examination. There are n number of questions come from here, and they can be mainly numerical questions based on formula, but yes, concept is very important. So let's try to understand what is particle nature of light, and we will just try to understand what is photoelectric effect.